Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Ooh la la. Yes, we have a question on the board for us to solve. So let us begin. We are asked to find the value of in bracket x plus y raised to the power of 2. Alright, what do we do? Looking at this facing us right now, let us have it in our mind that we have two equations on the board, equation 1 and equation 2. So let's see it as a simultaneous equation so that we can be able to get our answer correct. So let us say y plus 2x equal to 4. Let us call it equation 1. And y minus 3x equal to minus 1. Let us call it equation 2. All right, what do? We have two options. It's either we use elimination method or we use substitution method. Since the question did not tell us the precise method for us to use, we will choose the one that we find pleasant to use. So I'll go for elimination method. All right, so it simply means that we are going to subtract equation subtract equation 2 from equation 1. All right, it simply means that we just had minus sign here. That's all we do. Okay, all right, y minus y will give us 0. 2x minus 3x minus is plus, so it will give us 5x equal to 4 minus 1 will give us what? Will give us 5. Without wasting too much time, we know that if we divide both sides by 5 to get x will give us 1. All right, now we have known x to be 1. The next thing we need to do now is to solve to get for y, having known our x. All right, we now substitute x equal to 1 into any of the equations. You will get the correct answer for y. So let's say into equation 1. You can try for equation 2, you will still get the same answer. All right, so we now substitute y plus 2. In place of x, we write 1 equal to 4. So now 2 multiply 1 will give us 2. It simply means that y is equal to, because these two now, if we subtract 2 from both sides, it means that y will be equal to 4 minus 2, which simply means that y is equal to 2. Now the question says that we should find the value of x plus y all square. So very simple, what we need to do is we just come in here and say x plus y all square is equal to 1 plus 2 all square, which will give us 9. This is our final answer without wasting time. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being part of this class. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Do well to follow the page. Do well to like, share, and comment. What do you think about Mr. Hallelujah Maths class? God bless you. Bye-bye.